Yesu okana wasɛm sɛ yɛmfa yɛdadwene ya haw nyinaa nto so na wone nyame a utimi ade nyinaa yɛ papa mu oboni mu yɛmfa asɛm ana be yɛda wase ya tontom ne akamfo na mabisade ya mede to anim Awurade ebedi asima so yɛbɛfi November mako December ne so ma yɛato yɛwie ne adɔfo ne ebusuafo nyinaa wode yɛtwa na mabisade no a mede to anim serew ya haw paa wo mo Ghana Awurade de onima deja se abonefo Nigeria fo foreigners abegu omamu edi bone ekunkum nipa na Yesu frɛ yempanifo no mu fiye Awurade meserew yade wi nko ama me na wonim na meda wase serew yema me a mfo wase danni Yesu ehye oboate serew wode me yenkono na mom mpanifo yemai esmas ya yebai Awurade osi ebadwin no susukura be susu no eno no me susu ama boni ai wo mutirim ntino aka asem ba ko saa de a kyerem panifo yi obi anya na adwe so ka wasem ti boni no mo susu ama no na Yesu de amom Awurade yibedi Christmas ekunkum okurum kidnapping okurum akonsha okurum to be rituals no command ka bi so wontim hwea todro entwam bus entwam commercial cars entwam private car esikafo ne ma no Yesu kumbi esikafo na munsu no a omo yesa yempanifo no kurum ano ekire mekesikafo me company fo no a omo kan bi hom ebe magana fo akoma to mo yem na peace anase ho bambo nsem awiepeye no sankofo na mekirem e ka omasemi Yesu kuma omo bi to twene maye se ye wo bi kidnap no egisikafi na busuafo last ye bi kuna to atwena na nyempanifo ibimba serew niso ayewi kase bipio ni peneso yidefo nyina mama yanka amen babisade ano no Yesu da asise otie mi mpa bona ba ya mame aha ya jami media bo de subscribe channel like na busu kuni ngonya kakraka no ba ya bebo mpa yanhwe edipa dodo a ekura Ghana passport Ghana card na obisa se hemfo ene gina mu guarantee eton Ghana enimonyam no ede ma asa nipa we ene mitis mi hyeso de atade we a foreign so de atade na mete ha masem nyina ne se ehimfo ene ma asa akwa we na o calculate ade bi wotirim se enipa de sanya wotima ku nipa e wo Nigeria okuma me ne oba a Nigeria police declare wanted na onya bibia asa Ghana na oduru se be se embassy se immigration border na immigration ni kro de ogina ho ne tinima ne powuram banya bibia ankohye bibia okohye etinu ho. This tells you how insecurity Ghanaians are. And I say, Oman Bambo and Sama, Enkoyi, I can't move here. Yanko, the force, anyway, ni Kudraman say, Fako, Nafako share. Any Padua, a Wagana passport, and Ghana card, Okumwa. Obisa Hose, info, and a Yamam. Subscribe, channel like in the Busukunya Kakaka. Share video, Maumi, and Onia Swin share. Pony baby, I cost Wabuchin and Kofamaso, Ghana ni Yachino, Ghana ni Yachino, Negana for Monyashi. Nigerians and use your passport. So, Kosibroni, if you are watching me, please, when you want to assess someone's passport, make sure you assess it well before you declare whether the person is a Ghanaian or not. Some foreigners, especially Nigerians, it boosts acquired our passport and our cars. So make sure you declare that part before you come out and say Ghanaians are committing crime in another man's land. Now, me fa kunyo sa catch you say Guinea isa also. Komotimi ewi omuku. Who is next? Ono so be ku. Abusia yenko na kwhwe. Eba beto aso. Kai say do comment na. Eba to comment section dia mam. That's you.
Small Ghana. Guys, watch this video with me.
This guy has for himself the birth certificate of the Republic of Ghana showing that he is a Ghanaian born at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital. He says his father is a Ghanaian, his mother a Ghanaian, and born on the 24th of November 1989. But as it is turned out, this guy has no trace whatsoever to a Ghanaian parent. He was going through the process illegally until he hit a snag and was picked up by operatives of the national security. Now, questions that are coming up are: one, how easy it was for this Nigerian national to, first of all, go through the process to acquire for himself a voter's ID of the Republic of Ghana.
Yeah, nationality, a Nigerian who was based in Ghana for a very long time.
You've been able to acquire for yourself a voter's ID, which I would like to show here. So you have a voter's ID, Don K.O. How did you manage to get for yourself a voter's ID of the Republic of Ghana, you not being a Ghanaian?
Like I said earlier, that because I've been in a place and I made myself as part of the people. So if you are part of the people, then why would you do what the people, what you find at the place? So I decided to also to do everything that is.
How easy was it for you to get yourself a national voter's ID?
Well, when they were doing the voting ID, when they were doing the ID card, which I went to join the queue as other people joined the queue, so I joined the queue and I did it.
And when you were asked questions, how did you successfully evade the protocol to get for yourself the ID card?
I was able to answer the question they asked me, and that is all. That is all I did.
This young man successfully got for himself a birth certificate showing boldly, as you see, that he was born at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital, when in fact he was born in Nigeria and a Nigerian. Now, when I confronted him with this document, what this Nigerian told us is that he felt the need to associate better with the Ghanaian people since he has lived in this country for a very long time. And then you also successfully acquired for yourself. Where were you born?
In that case, I was born in Nigeria.
Sorry?
I was born in Nigeria.
Nigeria, very well. But here in the birth certificate, you said you were born at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Do we have a Kolebu Teaching Hospital in Nigeria where you come from?
It's not necessary that we have a Kolebu Hospital in Nigeria. The Kolebu Hospital is in Ghana here.
So you were born in Ghana?
That is what I stated on my what do you call it, on my birth certificate, because
were you born in Ghana?
I've answered you the question that I am not born, but I'm a freeborn in Ghana here.
So you lied to the authorities on that score? You said your father is also a Ghanaian. Is that the case?
Speaking honestly,
is your father a Ghanaian?
My father was not a Ghanaian.
So your father is late. He was a Nigerian.
Yeah, but I died in Ghana here.
So you lied again on that score. Your mother, you said, is a Ghanaian. Is your mother a Ghanaian?
Yeah, my mother is a Ghanaian.
Okay. So why did you go through this process to get for yourself the traveling passport of the Republic of Ghana?
Good. You asked a very nice question. We shall be able to explain to you. I just want to have a Ghanaian passport. Are
you not proud of being a Nigerian?
I'm proud of being a Nigerian. I'm also proud to be a Ghanaian.
How many of your colleagues have successfully gone through the process to acquire for themselves a Ghanaian passport like you were trying to do?
I've never seen anyone before, so I can't actually figure out.
So you live all by yourself?
Yeah, I live by myself. I live with one of my friends, but it's not around too.
You said you are a pastor. You run a church, right? What's the name of your church?
I don't run a church. I pastor in a church.
Sources at the National Security say they are processing the suspect and will subsequently hand him over to the immigration officers for the desired action to be taken.
Now, my question will be, what will make an African country want to acquire a passport of another African country so bad? If you know, put it in the comment section. And also Ghana for more tongue Ghana. More tongue Ghana dodo. Because of Nkatie, more tongue Ghana. Obekwatina, yes, say, how much Ghana need you America, how much Ghana need you Indonesia, how much Ghana need you China. Okodi bone. Ubekom no nya Ghana. Ntimona amote passport office wono. Na mu jisika e ton Ghana passport, any Ghana card. Ama omo a omo de be di Ghana ewu no. Aya moda modwen ana. Wa wutie mi, we adwuma passport office. O hwa me sisia, we adwuma passport office. Because of sika obenya nti. O ton wo Ghana passport. Ama obi fufuro. And so sorry I obeka say we patriotic. we are patriotic me boy so much video we esi ha mon share sa video we if I make us internal security a week mo se me boy e ba ne sign and na wo benya Ghana a friend say voters ID, which means you are meddling in the politics affairs of another country. So which means that voting aye nyina no non-Ghanaians be brave voting. What I say? Minim America, but me the best higher. We make sure somebody shares our video. We share video when create awareness. Why?
The way and the bonny I won't put this any trim. We ain't in my bonfire. The second empire may bonny say, Radi Yesu Christu, about in a jina ye. Israel. See a penny be attack or more kumwa. A immigration near when your papa or ma a woody food of my mo. Everybody so penny be a kumwa. Yoba could Jim say Nigeria new wedding mabushani into Obama ho, into Mingan Manum, order from above, every for sack of one over. Everybody oh pie we Sagrada and XCC tendenetia, Manuku sitting Kuntun ancient and any fear for you now. Because I do money, I would trim, Nasini Bakura, I do money trim. I would so penny be Kumoma Twatena, and penny form can be a woman so moon can be, or may I shine many pie woo, or see a wood be two every so mufians Mabacan. Everybody, it's a confirm pony, eticumesuku about Timobi. Everybody sunny wa prana grada, for silly party trim. You are the more great density trim, you are the more great density. Kumoto Chene, we am in Bible to Ebi. I used to be to when Miss Sell. A police for Jumaya Dim Kurumwa, a dintia, because of side immigration for phone, a baby on some fui, and a bay for or more tetty a brabby. A police for Jumaya Dino. A set committee, your investigation, your trapper, your trapper, your faha, your yesin, a immigration, a bay for. Migration before mo free migration for papa no omo na yes adiwe tefa kakra bi ade mo ntio tefa sika kakra bi a obeta frenti wo ye din anhwe han na foreigner na ba be wuram mo be kunipa adwene bi ani nitirem se enipa na obeku mo no ebetima ni honipa enipa e be kidnap mo kuma ebetima mo ho krofo etikurum ho ani nu ye ho na sofo eko eniema fini matantan aniema bone ho menya mo ho tan ende menya mo ho episode den kom sha mo shefa yewa president ho ene ne ma bone ayekosu kuma this course no ya fansha mo ana ya fansha aban no yebenya mo ho time abusua empaba e this particular gen na yetu no ye the video tumu na ho a don say won hwe serew hwe na share video no mo foforo eniema wi ayekoso no wo ene wate Minua Ghana ni bi otimi me hood enti mpo se Nigeria for Igbo for ho obi wo Igbo ni tini fie o ka che ni se hey Nigeria ni tini fie ase Igbo ni de ne hojo Nigeria ni de ne hojo till they don't have access to phone and beti na share video no do wa access so nko hwe news Ghana ni parking kan Ghana ni ladwuma odidi hwe TV wada enti se enye TV ni ye movie a obedu TV no wada ye nya hwe wo so ne ye kan news aye ma information wo so ti ba onti ti ye sew obuni ahobrase ni de kwan so ko nkotodwe ni ma okura wona nkotodwe mu se share video ni mo foforo kan ho asem kan mo asem fa kire obi hwe video ni bi fa to Facebook share link ni fa to Facebook fama nkrofo start fama nkrofo WhatsApp so mo hu de ekoso o mani oye Ghana ni ya senti na Ghana accent nso wo boa we Nigeria ni oye foreigner na madwene hu se ebe kakra 5 6 years 10 years na yo Igbo anase Nigeria Ghana citizen born in Ghana raised in Ghana but in Chibi fi Nigeria na se nipa we be contest assemblyman MP or could parliament abashe mrama muse mo area ho no afibia no o si etimi kuma akora ba ko na yewe because yekuru no busa na yede to ene nkurase Igbo fo Nigeria fo nko akogigi nsase no mu develop ho ni ya yehwe han ni yehwe mu se nipa no go permit obetim dia tena kurum ha odibo na ebetim akwachi no anasesen yehwe ana wo ye o Nigeria ni papa no Nigeria ni papa nke mpem fo beka se Nyankopon ti saleta ni enka no mo nka se Nyankopon ti saleta ni aleta fo ni bi ɔsi nyankopɔn te sɛ letani ko bi sɛ bɔne wɔ Nigeria ni tirim ɔmo Naija they are born by wicked. These people are wicked, the most senseless nature. Ɔmo Nigerian peoples wakati so ye gudu kura no bayi kakra eni bre a odi be kun odi be ton odi be gisika duro be kidnap ɔmo anka so ɔmo ho kura no ɔmutimi eseti ku se yen hye dan kidnap ye nuen hye baabi yen gisika mfiri ye busuafo ho ewia na ye jan we send akwachimi tio ɔmo anka se ne nua wo enuafo no na atena se ne adan na afo plan no ma keji baako se ya kidnap no no mo bi se sika the police for no trace ye no ekosi wo mo amo so echibi na nze na ibo Nigeria mazgo inshara mpo bai echibi estati ya o maibi estati ya o maibi estati ya o maibi estati ya o maibi estati ye entity o wonu nu ne natena se aplane na wo no utifi as landlord oba landlady oba oton kura oton chacha professional beton obeton ba ne simple be kun ba ne simple mo de mo ba ne be yedro simple esi omuti ufie na se o Nigeria we no omdo mo hodwo na ahyawofo ombo ahyabo adwuma nti omudi bone no wabonten wa otifi no mundi bone koso kwa wa wie ni pone ne kwada one ne ganga fachiri nipa ne beden na ho na ne ganga na be wie nipa no ibi to be twitwa si nipa no so abla won na he ne wie sika ne de ko obefi apapa na nima manyame so mpa na gide no wedo yo nti so wi asem na wudi nachi ba bone odi no kokomo no enchen de wo nim ma yen so Nigeria fo yi e wo ye fie wo store wo dan wo abrojire wo tse Nigeria ni aba ho a wo si hey to wonna de ma Nigeria ni me kantam kase ene yi wantam kura frɛ puni pa no so am de wade asese ya ye wo hini bi tse yura awasante ene Ghana enti obabuni bi kosore se boni pese boni ebani trim na oye de yesi won kofa man so bia no wajo because ni man temu hina advice ne se mo hwe mo so ye you see enti boni ani pa ndi abonte che de obedi ofie enti ube cover no se Nigeria ni we de oye tio me se de omo ye kura no nye masem edi be ma be de o ngba be gudem edem ho no wi no monsa e bonum nti oh Nigeria we ofia de ya ne so mo boy no mo jomani do you know kind of business omo ye e de ko bad be kufi ho e jimi sa enye kan ni be bia na ati ade o ya ye koi because remember the media houses in Ghana, traditional media are not reporting what we are reporting here. Jinya media be ameteso back to back and opa we numere na me team and opa we numere the TV, none of them are talking about Nigerians unless Nigeria ni adi boni ma police for channel no more their news 6 o'clock news 12 o'clock news and opa says a message we are no na anadwene na sefo no more their almost story and the day we babo dey 10:30 ni ebo and the headline kokoti near the amano you could see what court Nigeria for near the amano but say omu preachy say yen hwe hu ye nkrofo we hu yen we straight to omu yekuru inclusive your border there hu Ghana media houses ni bia journalists bia waje akonya aye na fono pompom fe mo bodu se ku ha cha me die omu tiri ku ha cha me die say otena ho wadwene o man hu say de minnu minnu dwene o ho enti empaba keep on sharing it in giant ho o man ye nya ye dia ntome a ebeto wo ochena enye wo uni ha uni Ghana intimate ebeto wo di jam se beto se e kan ntira account one account nti e kan huna akan ni nti se account ba account e kan wan kasa account ba come to think of it any die no boku aso embaba o comment in fabra o share in fabra contribution about audio video I will send the fabra you see ya that's sorry ni ye nisika ide be to data nko ade you come and sit here and do whatever we want to do and help our people throwing light on what is going wrong may light to the end so the amount because we need that assess when you raise a citizen arrest na ye bo authorities amane a ombebra saade no emma so nti die be ye ne say ye preaching ye maboni ankrofo we ye okrum ha nkere omo nim na omani na ho omani ni na afei na gira ni tenefia ohu se nipa wo nipa bonni oni obekume adana ho so obetuno nipa be stranded obekon kuru ankon kuru ma be bekono ye be che no e che na aboa me ko mi ni preach ye ana yede bem opeso kwa abrochiri atrai baako menu nyensa oso wabere mekura abanko nhye abrochiri menyanko e passport ma menhye no otu wa no mi obla bi papa bi afra ayi abrochiri no awkan no bibia wiuti no o passport no wahye passport na ebufu nti udakoto janema flash afina ko process foforo how many days akonto nso yesi just 1 week passport express kura no unya ne ya eno kura chen 1 week ebi obedi 1 week anase 1 week untimi nyine ne ya so nya bibia ne ya nkonya so ntukwan akonto ne bebo ti mo me mo aboa ye ho by sharing the video, listen to the video, commenting, tell another person say this is what is going on. I decided to talk about this particular thing. Let me know meaning now up from Waba. And fun said they make can say millions of yen and call like Jenny. Me. You see, I'm the actual upon no. And if I Jenny bra, never become a deal. And from boa, young croft. So, any padu be bit me video no, so many 1,000, 500 in the shah, on the commerce much young croft for me. Say, nipa 1,000 the best save a nation. Chida bokwami besi yadu mbo so ba asase. Si okraba kumpo sakra. Abofo mpempem na so sum nyina enije. Se onipa ba akono asakra. Come to think of it. Yesu na ni chidi for doso. Ofidi nipa more than 5,000. Wi ase a wo pe nipa mo de ni chi. Mo edu duminu 12. Ba akon sai yini mai. 11 ne kai. Wi echire kura no. Pedro na okoyini mai prensa. Ansana akoko ebebon tinie nyini penya ne bedo tinie de bia ni pe group bia no na kyese nkwaje wo ho ekwan no eyetu kese no eso ni pe nyina nem owu na hia no bebre na otoboas na uko eko ewure mu a ewie ni yewie pa so si wo kwan hia no ni wure mu odin na so wie ni yewie pa na kese no ya semaranko ti ye group bebre na obekọ ho no ebia ne yenkanya sesem bia wo but kwa ketua bi no ni nipa ketua bi na group no ebia ne yeka nkwaje asem ho ise wo ma nipa ba kompo da ne ho so a o save a nation ko no so bedi ho adanse e beto ato so sa na ne ba se mi no ba be ka ho asem e wo GMA media we any preaching emo e reality se mi tu hofo na o tu hofo a o be tu ofofrofo ofofro so tu ofofrofo o ka obi ho asem na wo ho se wo so asem e wo ho ti me nsa ba ko na kire wo so nana kan na hwɛ me so sane wi asete mo maye mo aboye ho na yen share video no na yen bomoden enkoso e maye anga bi wo hwɛ video na ne bote e ma me fu bebre se yaw buofu se mama tre udi e kira benya bibi but yen koso nkontokwa no se e be wi nkunindie president o pani banyi o mo abed address kura na yen tu yen manfo ko minu no aye yeti hei miniti a wo hwɛ bi wodi adanse se obusuafo wɔ Ghana wo ma wɔ Ghana ndi se wo jae wan di hu nkomo antie de ekoso de ba ochina obani ni experience about kidnapping ba ma betena ha ka kyerɛ se Saturday we ya obi si ya kidnap ne ba wa Accra dan so mo se den ekwan ba so ne fa so ya de kidnap no wa share the experience what be wa ka kyerɛ oba no okoforo ka ohu da signs and symptoms ni bia ase yade no pa no journey and our share life location or free and term year rescue and say too late one shall be shown you training and the bako akopere and so enye e de dunum ni kum hu ne baba share video no na subscribe na like na busako ngo nya kakraka share your thought with me on the comment section na mdo besi na me kono me sign out no ready me pa na me boy no so sisi be kidnap obi be ku bi a penifo yi bi emma se de be yo mode ayem hihie eni suni benabo eni ejajo twa emwade baba address assembly ama foreigners ibufo Nigeria fo nkwasiafo eni omogina be ohu musipie omusibele e wokuru mu na Awurade omo hahye mo akọ mu kurum Yesu ni so aye wi aka se be pio ne pe so amen Yesu be ya mai e ma ne ha ba me say very soon mu be hu mu de nyina be hu yenka hwe enkyere nipa ye be kan se me hwe hu su yi na de ye kon yen kosonko ba de ebesi eno untim fa me kokot untim machime ko me modin entreten abusua akra bibia edi am giso nana ya braya kwa oni de hye amete ha menye iboni menye Nigeria ni me kwa oni ifri kwa utafo ayi ifri kwa utafo mesifi emfantimem Central Region ayi metena kakra ko school na so nkra ni kuma se na matena ntino adu say me kwa oni mpacho me kwa oni menye iboni ko we kokko mahwekro be iboni be na mpacho menye Nigeria ni me kwa oni de hye me kwa utafo ni krom ko fo nyina me cho bibia chemu nyina mama se wiam chiao me ma me se wa me ma me ya bra Peter bra Johnny mama se wiam abodi minua yaw minua yaw awon so me chiao go red bobo papa also so anape you offer me so me chiao me chia obibia ohwe me bia wa mama odi anchi obia di paradox ya na for me se kakra ya chi obibia abusua you be say me say akra papa man no easy man kra me man chow kra me nko baba I'm sure they will share videos si mama me save ya hana na come on me save ya botre o se me ba ya oje photo data no for bra ya de ko no what I say mama save Nyankopon inshallah obi a wo boy bia no Nyankopon inshallah mo nyina me be say makra bye bye.